Calmly, welcome to the Amazon rainforest, where every corner is teeming with life and adventure. Excitedly. Meet our heroes Rory, the mischievous monkey, Ella, the elegant jaguar, and Pablo, the wise old parrot.
Swinging from vine to vine. Hey Pablo, tell us another one of your legendary stories.
Perched on a branch, adjusting his feathers. Ah, young ones, gather around.
Alert. Did you hear that? It sounded like trouble.
With suspense, deep within the heart of the rainforest, trouble was indeed brewing.
Grumpily. That mango is mine. I saw it first. Capybara 2, defiantly. No way. I found it first, so it's mine. Capybara 3, nervously. Uh-oh, guys, I think we have company.
Slithering, hiss. Looks like I'll be having a tasty treat today.
With the anaconda gone, our friends celebrate their victory with a dance under the canopy. Another day of harmony and adventure in the Amazon rainforest, where every creature, big or small, finds a place to belong. Until next time, remember to cherish the wonders of nature and the bonds of friendship that unite us all. The end.